So
You don't sled on these, Jericho.
why not?
You sled on shovels.
You're not gonna sled on a fucking shovel.
Actually, you're supposed to.
My phone's ringing. You hear it?
On the inside.
You hear my phone ringing? Who is it? I can't see. Hello. Hey.
Are you videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing.
I have a knife. Okay, Will, you go. I'm gonna stab you with my knife. Oh.
I'm gonna shank you with my damn tire thing.
We're gonna put Doodle on a sled. Now go, Will. Hey guys, we sledded over here one time. Can I push you?
Oh, I thought ice was gonna work just fine. Wow. That was pathetic. This is pathetic. Jesus, we're sledding down my driveway.
I hope he doesn't fall anywhere.
Wow, he is still going.
No,
stop.
Doodle was like biting him.
Alright, I'm gonna go down on this little circle-y board thing.
Okay. Oh God.
Sorry for its crack heels because I haven't put skinny jeans on. Sorry. Will you hold on a second, please?
Doodle's like, not there.
No, Doodle.
With everything in us.
Can we push each other?
Hey, Will, hold Doodle.
Hold Doodle, Will.
Move!
Damn it. Oh, piss. Alright. Jericho, you gotta hold my foot.
No!
Look at Doodle.